What's up YT, this is your boy DJ and I'm back with another episode. Guys, in today's video I want to show you Sussex Mafia member lled reacts Crunchy Blake announcement where he said that Gangsta was killed by her brother. Now guys, I want to show you Crunchy Blake IG post. Here is also chat response and reaction. Man, here is post of Crunchy Blake. Check this out. God is good. He sent me this post and sure against the Boo brother we on your he was in jail. You're talking about how he hate her, how he going to do something to her if anybody ever is Boo. If you ever is Gangsta Boo or the Sussex Mafia, make sure you share and repost this and repost it, sure this and repost it. Said Crunchy Blake. Now guys, honestly tell me what you think about this whole situation. Let's discuss in comment section. It was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and visit hiphoptvy.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Feeling like I cleaned up on my casket. I just paid the bill to devil with a plastic. I'm a bulletproof and you're gonna start blasting. Who I really am, I sort of hate to ask it. I'm still in this rap game and I'm killing it. Cause rhyming is the reflex and I'm feeling it. Any show I get, I'm stealing it. I'm dealing with my demons, yeah, I'm dealing it. Feeling like I jumped out of my casket. Raised like a menu seconds get blasted. Don't waste my time cause times are getting drastic. Everything you see and feel turns into ashes. The flesh to the bones to the 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 ashes. Prophets gather at the black masters. They gather and they share their passions. It's necessary to think before the actions. God, I have got so many questions. Feeling like I cleaned up on my casket. I just paid the bill to devil with a plastic. I'm a bulletproof and you're gonna start blasting. Who I really am, I sort of hate to ask it. Yeah.